Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making a very crispy, crunchy and simply delicious homemade cornflakes from corn. This is a very simple recipe you are going to love, so stay tuned and let's get right into making this delicious treat. These are the ingredients we are using for today's homemade cornflakes. So we have half a tablespoon of salt. We also have some diluted yellow food coloring here, some sugar to taste. We have corn flour. We also have our corn on the hobs covered with the husk and some water. We'll be using our scale, bowls. We'll use this baking tray, our blender, another baking tray, our non-stick pan, spoons, the spatula, the scraper, spare bowls, and then our parchment paper. And these jars for storing the cornflakes. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Now I'm going to work on the corns that we have here. Remove them from the husk and then we start peeling the edible parts of the knob. After removing it, I'll break it into two and then we'll place it into our bowl here and set it aside. I'll do same for all the two and then we'll continue. Now I'm going to remove it from the knob and then we'll continue. This is what I've got after all the peelings and all the removal has been done. We are going to start working with only this. I will proceed to measuring it to know how much we are working with today. "340 grams is what we are working with today. Now I'm going to pour it into our saucepan, add some water and begin the cooking process. Now I'm going to add in the water and then we'll place it on the stove top. I've placed it on the stove top. When it starts to bubble slightly, we'll cover and then allow it to cook for just 3 minutes. Now I'm going to take it off the stove. Then with our spoon, and our bowl here, I'm going to separate the corn from the water around it for blending. This is the corn. I'm going to pour it into the blender cup for blending. Then we'll add half of the water here. Cover and blend. I'll take it off the blender and then we'll pour it into a bowl. This is how it looks like. So we are going to add in the rest of the ingredients, starting with the sugar, salt, and then the corn flour. They will combine everything together. I'll add in the food color. This is how it looks like. Now I'm going to start pouring it onto our pre-prepared baking tins here. Then I'll spread it thinly. I'm going to spread it thinly, ensuring that it's not too heavy on any side and can be baked properly. I'll level this as well. Now we are going to bake this at 160 degrees for 15 minutes, then we'll come back to it. I just removed it out of the oven. I'm sliding it from the baking tin onto our serving trays. Then I'll start peeling it off and then we'll place it here. This is what we've got. We are going to continue removing it. And then we break it into smaller pieces, place onto our parchment paper as we bake for the second time. This is what we've got. I'm going to bake them for 15 more minutes and then we enjoy. You can store them into jars like so. And then cover. So you can store it in your fridge for up to 1 month. Since there are no preservatives and it's all natural, it can't stay for that long. We are going to serve and enjoy. Into our bowl, I'm going to add in some of the cornflakes. Some sugar to taste, which is totally optional. And then our milk. Stir together, and basically we have our cornflakes made. Now we'll serve the homemade cornflakes with some fruits, including red apple and some grapes. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.